Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We got a 2019 Pete 389 Triaxle to show you. It's only got 230,000 original miles. It's built with the deleted x15 605 Cummins, 18 speed. It's got 20s, 46s, 20,000 pound drop, double frame, full lockers, and a wet kit. So it's loaded up, heavy haul. Gotten it hot. Gonna do a full walk around, show you everything that we got out here. Let's go ahead and get started underneath the hood. Quarter quarters. Body's in excellent condition. Dual steering gearboxes. Only ding that I've noticed on this truck, really, you got a little bit of one right up there in the grill surround. The light hits it just right, you'll see it, but overall it's not bad. Really neat headache rack. I like the placement of the hydraulic tank there. Nice long slide, air track suspension. It's got a steerable drop. New rubber. Excellent brakes. And then this support bar on the back's got a little bend right there in the middle. Overall, excellent condition, exterior. Platinum interior. Storage boxes in the back, along with the fridge. Extra gauges, navigation. That temp's dropped a little bit since I got back here to take this, but it's pretty close. Good low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs, and the oil pressure climbs just like it's supposed to. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.